Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Chanceinhell machete. This is a Canonian design, just a beautiful machete that works especially well. The overall length on it is 17.8 inches. The blade length is right at about 12 inches. It's kind of your traditional machete shape. It's got this rubberized grip on it, an overmold texture that kind of has a football pattern on it. So it grips, feels like a football when you grip it. And very grippy. At the same time, you definitely want to make sure that's secure, so you've got a lanyard that is included with it and 5 different spots where you can thread that lanyard through. Now notice how that fits in the hand. It's kind of different from a traditional machete. A traditional machete would come straight down in a straight line with the handle. This one's got this slight curve in it. And what that is going to do is when you're using it and you're swinging, you're going to get that much more leverage when you're chopping. The Chanceinhell machete has a nylon sheath that comes with it. This works very nicely. Just slide it in there, and there are 3 snaps, metal snaps here on the nylon. Just push those in, and one for the handle right there, and that works very well. You'll notice on the back side here you've got a belt loop, and you can loop it right through there, carry it on your hip like so, or you can undo this Velcro and slip this out, and then you can drop that like that, and you've kind of got this belt loop that will dangle and move with your body rather than being rigid against your hip. The weight on this too, keep in mind, is 1 pound 4 ounces, so it's pretty light. Going to be great for backpacking or throwing on a horse, throwing it in your go bag. This is a great piece from Canonian. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This is the Versafix from Gerber. The Versafix is a hybrid design combining the functionality of a camp knife and a machete. The robust blade is designed for cutting, chopping, and batoning tasks. The recurved blade geometry near the handle is optimized for whittling and cutting. The weight-forward belly area of the blade is designed to handle path clearing and chopping with ease. The spine of the Versafix features jimping specifically designed for batoning, preventing your baton from glancing or slipping off of the blade. The textured, overmolded handle prevents slippage during wet or dry use. Full tang construction adds a balanced feel and strength to the handle. It's available in Versafix and Versafix Pro configurations. Upgrades to the Versafix Pro include a lightweight skeletonized design with a chiseled finish and a quick-release sheath. The Pro sheath uses a belt loop or lash tabs to mount to a pack. From the trail to the campsite, Versafix is a hybrid that offers durability and versatility.
This is the Gator machete. It has an 18-inch long high-carbon steel blade that works to clear anything in your path. The blade's precision grind helps you cut with ease, maximizing your efficiency. The spine of the blade is a heavy-duty saw for handling larger tasks. Gerber's Gator grip and the lanyard for your wrist will keep the machete secure at all times. A tough sheath keeps the blade protected when not in use. A must-have tool when you're in the wilderness or your own backyard. This is the Gator machete.
This is the 21-inch Schrade SCM ACH2 full tang machete. Imposing, versatile, and sharp as a tack, the SCM ACH2 boasts a massive overall length of 21 inches, sporting a 15-inch full tang fine-edged blade. The SCM ACH2 is fashioned from tough, edge-retaining 3CR13 stainless steel. The razor-sharp recurve edge toward the handle provides extra cutting power for fine tasks, while the balance of the blade makes large chopping and slicing jobs seem like child's play. The clip point with honed false edge gives you extra piercing power, while the black-coated sawtooth spine makes this machete an amazingly versatile tool. Weighing in at only 16.8 ounces, the SCM ACH2 is excessively nimble for a machete of this size. Comfortable, shock-free use is made possible by the ergonomic one-piece TPE handle. Water-shedding grooves coupled with a swelled midsection, top hand guard, and flared butt protect your hands, and extend use to any weather condition, while a lanyard hole is provided for additional safety. The SCM ACH-2 is kept safe and ready for use in its rugged black reinforced nylon belt sheath with lower closure strap and upper snap keep. A friend you can rely on when the going gets tough, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the 21-inch Schrade SCM ACH-2 machete.
Leading United Cutlery's M48 Ops lineup is the M48 Ops Combat Machete. This massive combat weapon features an 11.5 inches stainless steel blade that offers an unprecedented 1/4 inch thickness. A titanium electroplating process gives this blade a unique tactical finish that is both non-reflective and corrosion resistant. This hefty blade slices and stabs through even thick materials with ease, while the contoured G10 handle provides a slip-free grip in any situation. From the rock-solid full-tang blade design to the military-style reinforced Molly sheath, this 17 3/4 inch machete is tough as nails and built for decades of performance. This is the M48 Ops Combat Machete, only from United Cutlery.